Welcome to another video on the channel. Today we've got some races of GTA for you. So if you do enjoy, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. Let's get into it. Didn't get the boost, boys. Oh no, my charger's fallen out. I actually shouldn't have gone midway through this race.
Oh, that kid's got like a really good car.
Yeah, he's got a custom. No!
Oh no, customs are off.
Yes!
Customs are off, so you can't have a custom.
Oi! I missed the checkpoint, yeah, but someone smacked me into the way of the checkpoints. It's fine. Joseph just decided this. Yes,
Yeah.
Joe. Oh, I just hit a lamppost. Now everyone's going to overtake me. Come here, boy. I'm in third. No, I skidded out. Oh, come in. No. No.
Yes!
Come on, Max. Let's catch him.
Yeah, I'm catching.
I smacked him, man! I smacked him! No, Ollie, not me! Ollie, not me! Ollie,
Move
not
to
me.
a corner. Thank you.
Oh my god, what's the point?
No, he's back in. He's back in. Come on, Joe.
You deserve that.
Let's catch you, Max. Handbrake turn. Joe!
Thanks, Ollie!
No, don't. We need to catch him. I'm glad you get on.
Joe!
That's Ollie's fault.
No, it's not. Max, you missed the checkpoint.
Oh, you're on the wrong way.
Max, go! Max, go!
No, you go. You just smacked into it.
This is actually sick. I love this race.
I'm catching him!
Smack him out the way, Joe.
smacked him!
No, you didn't. He took you out.
No, I smacked him and then he went into me.
Oh, it's.
Max, I'm using your swag.
Don't go inside me.
I think with this one, it's not all about swing. It's about corner turns.
My bad.
Oh!
Yeah,
I'm catching.
Why have you got a radio article? This is Viagra, boys. Come here, Max. You said he was behind you, you fat knee.
Oh,
He was, and I was looking. What?
Smack him.
I'm in front of him.
Bye, have a good day.
You smack him. If he comes next to you, smack him.
Oh, what?
Max.
The wrong way.
No, he took me out.
I'm gonna go the wrong way.
Oh, he took me out, the fat knee.
I'm so far behind. I need to snap each one out.
I'm going to try and get him. Because he took me
I
out.
still got a new car.
He spun out. I spun out. Damn it. Who's catching up here? Me, but
Me.
how many laps left, right?
No! I need a new car.
He's taking that corner
Jesus.
well.
Oh, I can see.
Oh.
Oh, that's class.
I'm respawning, I'm respawning.
Please teach me that maneuver.
I needed a new car anyway.
What's you ploughed into a wall?
I'm catching him. Come on.
Ah,
Just
spin
make
out.
sure you girls.
I'm trying.
In it.
Trying to get close to him. I'm taking these corners so well.
In it, smack him, Ollie.
Oh, come on. I'm so close to him. Swag lines. Let's go,
What?
swag lines. Take him out, Joe. Yes, Joe.
Yes!
Patrick,
Oh,
no.
it worked!
Wait, what's Ollie doing? Ollie spun out.
No!
Max, get him now. Batteries have gone. My batteries went.
No.
My batteries went. It's between you and him.
Wait,
I'm right behind you, Max. You need to shove a swag. No, but
Yeah,
he
you
fails
have
his
to
corners.
make
He's so
it
bad at
hard,
corners. Last
Right,
lap,
go
I
on my
think
left
this
if you're gonna overtake me.
is. Okay.
On my left.
Swag lines.
Go on your right.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm so sorry.
Max!
What is-
Max!
No.
You
No, I
mupped
didn't
it!
even mean to. I didn't even mean to.
You.
Joey, we need you to go.
Oh, yeah. We were literally gaining on him and Max takes me out
I
on
don't know where the race
purpose.
goes.
I would have guessed.
Oh, you muppet, Max.
Well, I think. I've got through!
Alright, go for it now.
Yes!
Finished it!
I've got him.
Come here. Go, Joe. Go.
Boys, I did it! Boys, I did it!
Keep with us.
Ollie, I didn't even get my checkpoints. I'm just going for him.
Turn around then. Get him again.
No,
No!
Let
Oh,
me go around him.
this is last lap as well.
Max, I'm not gonna fucking see you.
Joe, you really struggle with them corners, don't you? What have you done? Go!
Go!
No, we need you to go straight.
Swig lines. I'm giving you swig.
The other side.
Swig.
I can't catch you. No, that's gonna be awkward. It's the wrong.
Come on, I'm catching you.
Go.
Come here, boy.
Oh, I've got smoke, but I can't get around.
Josie!
Oh no, what have you done?
I thought you were about to say
Go on your left, Ollie.
No.
Go on your left.
Oh, the finish is there.
No! How's that happen?
Oh.
I didn't even finish.
Oh,
I
it's
didn't
all
even
because
finish.
Max took me out, man.
Whenever I do it, it says unplaced bet. Like, how do you place it? I click.
Press
I bet
A on
and
the
then-
green bit.
Oh.
Come on. Let's get the boost.
No wonder it cancelled because you're not even placing them.
Let's get the boost, boys. Oh, I didn't get the boost, boys. Oh, no.
Oh no.
Oh, I'm seeing someone go.
Yes. Ollie, are you red? Ollie, are you red?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ollie,
Oh! Okay.
Why is there other cars?
Traffic.
Yep. They're joining in on the race
Why
as
do
well.
you put traffic on? Oh, you did!
Dum, dum. Bum, 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 bum. Can I pull away?
No,
One
someone right
of them's
behind
got
you.
past me.
Oh, yeah?
One's coming for you in a really fast car.
For some reason, I'm getting
Oh,
so much
that's
speedy.
nice.
I'm about to take a sharp turn. Car! Oh no. Oh, thank you.
Oh my god.
No, you fatty. No. no. That's yours if it's. Oh,
Joe's here.
that's a randomer.
Wait, who's this kid?
I thought there's no way that random's just gone that far off track. No!
I went You were random trying to cut us off.
You took him out into
Yeah.
me
No.
again.
Oh no.
No.
No, but we don't want. No!
No! Move!
That guy's gonna do miles in.
Move! Joy, you gotta get him. I'm leaving my swag lines. Swag, use my swag. On my right.
Right. No, what have you done?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
Oh, this weirdo's blocking me.
I just hit a lamppost and flew. Oh, that guy's leaving. Josie, how did you hit a bush?
I don't know.
The bush. Just don't go into the bush. I need to try and catch this guy now.
I'm trying. I'm going.
Hello there.
Ah!
Gonna get me to it.
No!
That guy mugged you off. I'm going.
I'm fighting.
Max, you fatty!
Keep him there, keep him there.
I am. He's tall.
I'm coming.
I got him.
Move, you stupid pedestrian!
I am on my checkpoint as well. I've been lapped.
Ah, I'm coming. I can see you. Yes!
I got him again. Wait, I'm stuck.
I'm catching him.
Oh yeah.
Where are you, Max? I see you there.
How am I
Wait.
stuck? Oh.
Oh, use the steering techniques. Sent him off course. Come on. He's on the grass. He's gonna swerve in and try and get me. Oh, he's split out.
Guys, go past!
Oh,
I'm
get
not
him.
there. I don't
Joe,
know
leave
where
me
you are.
alone. Leave me alone. No! Joe! No! Max actually left and you got that guy to... Yes, get done, mate. Wait, what? He just went through a car. Oh my word.
Ollie, are you in front of him or is he in
I've
front
blocked
of you?
him. Come here. Mac, I need a new car.
Are you in front of him?
No. Nice, Joe.
It's him. Go, Ollie.
Finish line.
What? You got let off the hook, mate.
Yep.
Ollie, keep on going.
Oh, he put me off the track. Joe, oh, he's won.
Ollie, I'm going round to the finish line.
Go quickly now. Quickly.
Jesus.
This is all because
You
Joe's
stop me finishing.
It's because of Joe. Because of Joe. Because of you, Joe. You let the randomer win. You crashed into me
won
instead of the
because
guy.
Joe.
Oh, let's have it. Oh, come on. What are we doing?
We're pilots. But
BMX versus through you. Oh, this might be sick. Oh.
Wait, what do we
It
do?
said we're pilots, but it's given us BMXs.
I've
I've
got
got a
Jerry.
briefcase.
Oh, briefcase.
Let's go and kill him.
I might actually on the other team.
Right.
Where do we go?
What do we do? What do we do?
I don't know.
Wait, how do you shoot?
Oh my god.
Oh, they're here! Oh! Oh!
Wait, what? Oh. Oh, they're trying to run
Oh, I
fast.
get it.
Yeah!
Can I respawn or not?
Can-
Oh, I'm
yeah.
stuck down here.
Can I respawn? Oh, there's ramps. There's ramps,
Yeah.
Max.
I didn't even see you lot
There's
coming.
ramps, Max. Oh, Joe's fell down.
Ollie, pick me up or something.
Okay.
My car's upside down.
Oh yeah, how did he land
Hold-
down there?
hold on,
he
Max,
landed
Max,
on
get
the
in the car.
floors.
Go, Max.
What are you doing?
Hello.
Yeah, get him. Yeah,
Come
you-
here.
Sick.
You can't get me.
What?
Oh, he just glitched through.
Where you go?
Wait, I'm under the map.
What's
Yeah, run! Don't just stand there, run!
No, I'm under the map.
No, you're not. Look to your left. You can get back up.
Where is it?
Where is he?
Oh my.
Where's your car, Max?
I've gone.
So yeah, it turned out Joe was just under the map. So we had to find a way how to die and make it to the next round. So that's what we did all round.
What's the BMX objective in this game?
To get to the guns.
To get
so
to
they
the
can
other side,
kill us.
yes!
Or just
Hey, there we go.
Thank you.
I didn't care. We gave a round on.
Oh no. As soon as I landed, you man, I'm dead. If I had jumped off the start, I might be able to jump.
Oh, I don't know why I challenged that. That was stupid.
What?
Oh no, Ollie, what have you done?
Oh no.
Probably alright on there, to be fair, they can't be wrong.
What car is this? This is a nice car. That's Europe. That's obviously.
He just got snapped on my screen, but he didn't. Ollie, get on your bike, lad. You can't sit there all day.
Innit?
What are you doing? Right, go now, quick.
You can't sit there
How
and
do I
that
jump
would
again?
just
How do I
ruin
jump
it.
again?
I'll be.
Okay. Go. Oh no.
You're coming now, jump. Yeah.
Oh.
Get back on, quick, get back on. Go on.
Yeah, enjoy.
Go.
I'm I don't know.
Well, but there you go. What?
No.
Go on. There.
No!
Oh, Ollie, what are you doing?
What?
What have you done?
Where's he gone?
I'm at the end.
He's hiding.
They don't
Ollie,
bring
you
the
can-
ramps to get up.
Get ready to jump. And again now. No. Yes, go on then. Go on. Go on, get up there.
No,
No.
he didn't jump. No. Oh. Go. He's not struggling, man. No.
Oh, oh,
No, no, no.
it's not good.
No.
Hey, car toggled overdoing.
Oh.
Oh.
You got me. I was so close, but I just
I was- I
jumped
was
for the
like,
wrong
so
way.
I don't know.
He was a pretty vital role.
Oh
Bye, Joe.
no! I get out. That's not fair.
What do you mean?
Why is that not fair? It's literally the objective.
Oh, I didn't see him. Fuck.
Where is
Is that
he?
it? He's dead.
No, he's here.
I just want to get off my bike.
Oh, bye.
Bingo!
Where is he?
Oh, I'm trying to land on him. No, do not flip.
What? Well, he's at the top still.
Wait, what? He flew
I
off on my
knocked him
screen.
off.
Yeah,
No, he rode on your car! And then
What?
he
he
jumped
flew off on my screen. It's so doable, but where is he? He's shooting a flare at us.
Go, 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 go!
He fell off. Wait.
No! I thought you fell off, Ben! Ben!
Oh,
Hey.
I had no cover. I was just out in the open. That's scary that you're on.
Just for class.
Oh, Ben!
But
No!
broke just for the right moment.
No, don't go.
Oh, I was trying to go all the way over.
Don't go. Oh, you get the jump.
Where is he? I've hit him, but it just hasn't worked. Come back here now. No, he's done me! He's done me! He's done me!
No.
He's off his bike! I'm taking his bike away! Just go over his bike.
Ollie.
Go over his bike.
Focus on Ben. Ollie.
Yeah. You go for Ben, I'll go for
That's
Ben.
near the end. Both of us need to go Ben. Leave Joey, crap.
No! No, he's made it! Oh no. He's made it, he's made it, he's made it. Boys, he's made it, he's made it. We gotta hide!
Well, we're gonna hide for
I don't
7
know
minutes.
none of us know about it. Oh, heck no!
Oh no. Is it homing?
Wait, is Ollie dead? Oh, no,
Whoa!
is it a home in this app?
Oh right, shut it.
There it is.
There's also pipes and jets up here, but I've never used them.
Ollie, we've got 6 minutes to hide.
Okay. Is it a hover jet? Oh no. Run, Max. Oh, he's there! Run! You need to get Joe. Joe's probably going to get home.
Yeah, Joe's still trying to do it on the slide.
Oh my word. He's chasing me, Max. He's chasing me. Look at Joe. Joe is right at the end. Joe
Go
is
on,
right at the
Joe.
end.
Ollie, we just have to hide.
No.
Never use
Oh!
These are well made. These are well hard to control.
Joe was well, but just right at the end there.
Oh.
Oh. They're not locking on. This is so
They
dead.
don't lock on.
No!
Yes!
Oh no. Oh no! No! No, no, no. Oh!
Yes!
Let's go.
Oh, Joe.
Man, I was about to do it, you know, but my RB stopped working.
And that is the end of the video. If you made it this far, please do hit the like button and the subscribe button. And until next time, bye.